Cache Giraffe notifications usually fail when Android or iOS quietly revokes background permission, so the app is still installed and working, but it's no longer allowed to alert you in real time. By the end, you'll know exactly why Cache Giraffe notifications stop showing, and the exact settings that usually fix it in a few minutes. Start with notification permissions inside your phone settings, not inside the app. Go to Settings, open Apps, find Cache Giraffe, then open Notifications. If notifications are turned off here, the app cannot override it. Turn everything on, especially general notifications and background alerts. Next, check battery restrictions. Modern Android phones aggressively stop apps from running in the background to save power, and Cache Giraffe depends on background activity to trigger notifications. Go into Battery Settings, find Cache Giraffe, and set it to Unrestricted or Don't Optimize. If it's set to Optimized or Restricted, notifications often arrive late or never show up. Another issue is Do Not Disturb or Focus mode. Even if Cache Giraffe is working correctly, system-level silence modes will block banners and alerts. Open your Quick Settings panel, and make sure Do Not Disturb is fully disabled, not just partially allowed for some apps. If notifications still don't appear, the next thing to check is app-level notification categories. On some Android versions, Cache Giraffe splits notifications into different types like rewards, ads, or system updates. If only one category is disabled, you might think notifications are broken even though others are still active. Open Notification Settings and enable every category available for the app. A more hidden cause is outdated app data. If Cache Giraffe hasn't been updated in a while or the cache is corrupted, notification triggers can silently fail. Go to the App Info page, clear cache, and then restart your phone before opening the app again. If you're using a VPN, ad blocker, or private DNs, temporarily disable them. These tools can interfere with the background servers that send notification triggers, especially for reward-based apps. If nothing changes after all of that, uninstalling and reinstalling the app is the clean reset. It forces the notification token to regenerate and reconnect properly to your device. Quick summary. Fix notification permissions first, remove battery restrictions second, and disable system silence modes third. Then clear cache or reinstall if needed. Follow those steps in order, because most cases are solved in the first two settings alone. If this helped, like and subscribe for more fix guides like this.